Detector!
The DRDO's gas turbine research establishment is planning to conclude a deal with the British firm Rolls-Royce for the development of a new 110 kN thrust class engine with a 20% growth margin that will power the AMCA 5.5 generation fighter jets. This engine program will be directly under the purview of the Prime Minister's office and will be taken as a national project. As per latest reports, 8 engines will be manufactured within 3 years from the date of agreement, that will be used as ground technology demonstrator engines, to test the engine in various configurations, after which the project will move to fabrication phase, in which 6 more flying technology demonstrator engines will be built and tested on the flying test bed aircraft. The new engine will have a higher dry thrust to cope with the hot and humid Indian weather conditions, so that the AMCA Mark II can supercruise without engaging its afterburners, due to which at least 4 engines will be in core-alone configuration. The developmental and testing phase of the new engine will be completed in 7 years, and the first set of engines will be delivered within 2 years, that will be manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics with 3 private sector companies. The engine will later make its way into TED-BF and Tejas Mark II program, and the 20% growth margin for the core of the new engine will enable it to power 6th-generation platforms. The new CEO of Brahmos Aerospace has said that the joint design and development of the Brahmos next-generation missile has started by a joint team of DRDO and Russia, and it will take 4 years before the missile is ready for delivery to the Indian Armed Forces. The Brahmos NG will weigh around 1.5 tons, and will have a range of 300 to 450 kilometers, and will have a near hypersonic speed, which means that the upgraded ramjet engine will give it an increased speed of Mach 4 or Mach 4.5, that will also make it impossible to be intercepted by any air defense system. The Brahmos NG will be carrying out evasive S maneuver shortly before impact, making it difficult to counter at close ranges. Brahmos NG can be integrated on all types of aircraft of the Indian Air Force and Indian Navy, including maritime patrol aircraft, and there will also be a land-based variant and naval variant for ships and submarines. Apart from 500 SIG 716 rifles and 100 SIG MPX submachine guns, the J&K police has initiated the process to procure 7,416 bulletproof jackets of protection level 5 and 784 bulletproof jackets of protection level 6 for its special operations group that are involved in counter-terror operations. The J&K police is also procuring 72 bulletproof light motor vehicles, 100 ultra-wide CCTV surveillance systems, 12 deep search mine detectors and 45 mini drones. Experts have said that the single-engine Chinese J-10C fighter jet being procured by Pakistan can't be compared to the twin-engine Rafale fighter jet, as the J-10C is no match to the Rafale, but it could be fair to compare it with the single-engine Tejas Mark II that is currently under development. The J-10C is a bigger fighter jet that is powered by a more powerful engine, that gives the J-10C a higher maximum takeoff weight of 19,277 kilograms, as compared to 17,500 kilograms of the Tejas Mark II. The J-10C will be equipped with the PL-15 missiles, that has a range of 250 kilometers against fighter jet-sized targets, while the Tejas Mark II will be equipped with the more advanced Mach 4 capable 300 kilometers range Meteor missile, 560 kilometers range Scalp cruise missile, 450 kilometers range Brahmos NG, 250 kilometers range Rudram 1 and 350 kilometers range Rudram 2 missile, and a wide variety of Indian, Russian and Western air-to-air and air-to-ground weapon systems that is missing in the Chinese J-10C. after the signing of agreement by UAE-based Lulu International Group to invest 200 crore rupees in J-10C to set up a food processing and logistic hub, the Dubai-based multinational logistics company DP World has announced that it will set up an inland port in J-10C as part of plans by the Emirate to invest in the Indian territory. India and China are likely to hold the 14th round of Corps Commander-level talks on 12 January, in yet another bid to end the ongoing standoff on the line of actual control. The talks will be held primarily to resolve the friction in the hot springs area.
Omar dropped it.